Do you want to get your hands dirty? DIY stuff around your house? Well, then you are in the right place. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tuba. I'm a licensed general contractor and an interior designer with a lot of architectural experience and background. I'm passionate about beautifying ugly homes, so therefore I flip, restore and renovate houses for living to fulfill this desire. These are before and after pictures of some of the houses I renovated. To me, seeing a house go through a transformation is priceless. I believe no house is ugly. Any house can be beautiful with some love and vision. But we are not flipping here. We are DIYing here. We are going to fix, build, create, repair, refurbish together. You can be your own handy person and save money. And hey, it's even fun and satisfying. If you are passionate about getting your hands dirty, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly content. So let's get dirty. We got this.